I remember when I was buying my first home. I was excited, but also totally overwhelmed. Mortgages, down payments, credit scores, it felt like a lot to figure out. But if you're thinking about buying your first home in 2025, I've got good news. Things have changed a lot. And today, I want to share some of the top mortgage product trends that are making it easier than ever for first-time buyers to step into homeownership. Let's start with one of the biggest challenges most people face: saving for that down payment. Back when I started, I thought I'd need 20% down just to get my foot in the door. Not anymore. In 2025, one of the biggest trends is low down payment loans. That means you could buy a home with just 3% down. Imagine finding your dream home for $200,000. Instead of needing $40,000 up front, you'd only need $6,000. That's a huge difference, and it's opening doors for a lot of people who thought they couldn't afford to buy. And it gets better. There's also a growing number of down payment assistance programs. These are programs, often run by local or state governments, that help first-time buyers cover part of their down payment or even their closing costs. Some of them give you money you don't have to pay back. Others offer zero-interest loans that you repay later. Either way, it can make a big difference when you're just starting out. Now, let's talk about credit scores. If you're like most first-time buyers, you've probably wondered, is my credit good enough? Here's the good news. In 2025, lenders are starting to look beyond traditional credit scores. Instead of just relying on a number, some lenders now review things like your rent history, your phone payments, even your Netflix or utility bill record. If you've been paying your bills on time, that's now something that can actually help you qualify for a loan. Another trend? Longer loan terms. You've probably heard of the 30-year mortgage. But now, some lenders are offering 35 or even 40-year loans. What's the benefit? Lower monthly payments. That can really help if you're just starting out, have student loans, or just need some breathing room in your budget. Yes, it may mean paying more interest over time, but for many first-time buyers, the flexibility is worth it. And here's something I really love. Some mortgage products are now designed for specific types of jobs. Are you a nurse? A teacher? Maybe a firefighter? In 2025, more lenders are offering special mortgage programs just for people in public service roles. These might come with lower rates, easier approval, or extra help with your down payment. It's a small way of giving back to those who give so much to our communities. Now let's talk about something that's changing the game for everyone: technology. Remember the old days of printing documents, faxing paperwork, and waiting weeks just to hear back? That's over. Now, you can apply for a mortgage on your phone. You can upload documents, track your application status in real time, and even get pre-qualified in minutes. These new digital tools are saving time, reducing stress, and helping first-time buyers feel more in control of the process. And finally, one of the coolest trends in 2025? Green mortgages. These are special loans for people who want to buy homes that are energy efficient. That might mean solar panels, energy-saving appliances, or smart home features that lower your utility bills. Some green loans even offer lower interest rates or discounts just for choosing a home that helps the environment. So what does all of this mean for you? It means that buying your first home in 2025 is more possible and more exciting than ever. With more options, more help, and smarter tools, you don't have to feel stuck or confused. You just need the right information and the right team behind you. If you're thinking about buying your first home, we'd love to help. For more information, be sure to connect with us. We're here to answer your questions, explain your options, and help you find the path that's right for you. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today. And when you're ready to make your move, we'll be here to help every step of the way.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you would like to discuss it further. So if you would, please feel free to call me, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial Mortgage, 424-290-8294. You can also email me, mitch@rivierafinancial.com. You can also find me on Instagram at Mitchell Milat, or on my Facebook homepage, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial, Beverly Hills. Thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you soon and wishing you much success in the future.